Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Webull, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you fund and deposit money into your Webull account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's actually going to be a quick video. There's not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to deposit money or fund your Webull account? Well, that's pretty easy. If you've recently signed up for Webull, you know that they often run promotions that if you sign up for their account and you also fund it with at least $100, they do give you a free stock. Now, that promotion could change at any time, but if you're looking to make a deposit into your Webull account, it's all handled here in the app. It's this blue and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open my Webull open up my Webull stock trading app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Webull account. This is the home screen. Here on the home screen, you're going to see various stocks that you might be following. But if you'd like to deposit money into your Webull account, what you want to do is look right down here at the bottom. There's these 5 buttons. You want to click on this middle one called Deposit. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to see more information about your account. And as you can see, they are running that promotion that if you make a deposit of $100, you get a free stock. Now, there is a limited time on that. I believe it's 30 days after you signed up. But if you'd like to make a deposit into your Webull account, you want to click on this blue line, make your first deposit or transfer. Transfer is more if you've already set up your banking information, which I have not. So I'm going to click on this blue button now. Right next, the screen pops up, so you can go ahead and choose an ACH, which is free, to initiate transfers to your bank, and that you can use to deposit money into your Webull account, or you can do a wire transfer. Just keep in mind that wire transfer is usually the sending bank and receiving bank are going to charge you. So this is going to be a cheaper option, but this takes a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and deposit to my Webull account using ACH. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next this screen pops up. So you're going to have 3 notices you're going to want to read. They're saying that a checking account is recommended. You can use a savings account, but it's kind of comes with its own restrictions. Also, your name has to match the bank name. So your Webull account has to match your bank account. You can't use somebody else's bank account. Otherwise, the ACH is going to be declined by Webull. So keep that in mind. Also down here, you have 2 different options you can choose from, which is real-time verification, where they will verify your bank instantly, or you can do a micro deposit verification. And what's going to happen is they're going to make a couple of deposits into your bank account and then remove those deposits. Once you have those numbers, then you'll come back in here to the Webull account and verify those. For me, I like to use this real-time verification. You will need to use your bank information to log in. So let me go ahead and click on there now. Okay, next the screen pops up. So you might be familiar with this company called Plaid. Many online banking or trading apps use this company, and what they do is they ask for your login credentials. So for example, I bank with Chase, so they're going to ask for my Chase username and my Chase password in order to sign in and connect my Webull account with my Chase account. So if all that looks good, go ahead and click on this continue button. Okay, next, you want to choose the bank that you're going to be linking in with your Webull account. So you can choose from one of these top banks, or you can go ahead and use the search function right there and just search for your type of bank. For me, I bank with Chase, so my bank is already there on the front page. So let me go ahead and scroll up and it's right there. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next they are asking for my Chase Bank credentials, so my user ID and password. I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in my username and password. I'm going to click submit. Okay, next Chase is asking to verify my identity, which is pretty normal since they haven't used this Webull account with Chase yet. So you need to choose from one of the contact methods that you have on your bank. So keep in mind, this is your bank asking this information, not Webull. So for me, I like to use text message, it's a little easier. So I'm going to choose this. But you can also choose phone number or email. Okay, I chose text. They're going to send a security code there. I'm going to click continue. Okay, now they're letting me know they texted me a security code. So you'll want to check your text message or your email or whatever you used and then enter the code here. I'm going to enter my code in now. Okay, I entered my code. I'm going to click the submit button now. Okay, next, if you happen to have more than one bank account with that company, then you'll want to choose which account you want to link with your Webull account. I'm going to choose my checking. Okay, once you've chosen the account, you want to click continue. Okay, guys, so now this screen pops up. So as you can see, my bank information is now linked with my Webull account. So I can go ahead and make my initial deposit into Webull. If you're doing this for a referral free stock, make sure that you're depositing at least $100. That is usually what the requirement is. So I'm going to click right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and type in $100. Okay, so once you've chosen how much money you want to deposit from your bank account into your Webull account, go ahead and click on this blue transfer to Webull. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next this pop-up happens. It lets you know the amount. So mine's 100, where it's coming from, your whichever account that you'd linked into your Webull account. Estimated arrival time, March 1st. So just kind of keep in mind, I'm actually recording this on February 22nd, and there's 28 days in this month. So what is that? That's going to be 6 days before the arrival is expected here on Webull. So there's quite a bit of processing time on that. So just keep that in mind. If you need something quicker, then you want to go ahead and use the wire transfer. For me, that time frame works out okay. Also, they're letting you know that if your deposit gets reversed, your account will not receive a free stock. You'll also be charged $30 by the clearing firm for the reversal. Also, your credit with Webull will be negatively affected. So make sure that you keep that money available in your bank account that you're transferring to your Webull for deposit. While that looks good, click this button here. Okay, now the check mark has been marked, and I'm going to click on this blue confirm button now. Okay guys, so next it lets you know that my deposit has been requested successfully and received, and then also letting me know that my deposit was requested after 4 p.m. So it's going to be processed on the next business day. And then once that has been processed, I'm going to be credited part of the deposit as an instant buying power. Now, if all of it's not available on instant buying power, then you will need to wait for the funds to be settled, which is pretty normal for investment accounts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make a deposit into your Webull stock trading account, that's the easiest way I know. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.